Hello everyone, and welcome to a brief introduction on discounts, markdowns, and sales. So before this, we have covered tax, tip, / gratuity, and we've also covered markups, right? Now in each of these situations, and commission too. So in each of these situations, we were adding something extra. Something extra, something more, something additional. So in each of these situations, we were adding. Now today, we're going to cover discounts. We're going to cover, sorry about that. We're going to cover discounts, we're going to cover markdowns, and we're going to cover sales. Each of these situations represents something less, something minus. That's pretty much all you have to keep in mind. Discount, markdowns, and sales mean that you're going to subtract. So, for example, let's say that we have a random person, and this random person is called Kindle. Now, Kindle goes to a store and she sees a shirt she really likes. I really can't draw, so I'm doing my best here. Oh, that actually came out much better than I thought it would. Okay, so Kendall sees a shirt that she really likes, and its regular price is $12, right? But guess what? There's a sale. There's a sale for 45% off. So she's getting a discount of 45%. This is what you do. The original price as a percent, original is always 100%, right? We've reviewed that over and over again. Original price is 100%. There's a 45% sale. Now, like I said, sale discounts, we're subtracting. So now all we have to do is 100 minus 45 equals 55%. What that means is Kindle is actually paying 55% of the original value of $12. So I take 55%, I make it into a decimal, 0.55, and I multiply that times 12. And of course, you're going to use your calculator. I'm using mine off screen. 0.55 times 12 equals 6.6, or $6.60. That's how much Kindle is going to pay for her shirt. Let's do another example. Let's go with a markdown. A markdown is the same thing as a sale or as a discount. Let's say that a store went ahead and bought a ton of fidget spinners. I'm trying my best here, guys. A store bought a ton of fidget spinners and they decided to put them up at a price of $7 each, right? But guess what? Fidget spinners are so 2018, 2019, no one buys them anymore. So the store doesn't want to lose all its money, but it has to recognize there's no way I'm going to sell this. It's impossible. So the store does a markdown of 10%. Yeah, once again, a markdown. My original is going to be 100%. Marked down, I mean the clue's in the name, I am subtracting, minus 10% equals 90%. Okay, so what we do is we take the 90%, we make it a decimal, 0.90, times my original price of $7, and you use your calculator. 0.90 times 7 equals 6.3, which is to say $6.30. Voila, we've covered markdown. Let's do discounts. So let's say that I tell you I'm going into a store, right? I'm going into the store and I want to buy a computer. But I'm going to go shopping on Black Friday because I'm smart. So I have a computer that would usually, we're going to call that box a computer. This computer would usually cost me $500. But because it's Black Friday, there is a discount of 35%. Yeah? So my original as a percentage, 100% minus 35% equals 100 minus 35, well, that's going to be 65%. We turn that into a decimal, 0.65 times my original price of 500, and we get my new price, which will be $325. Now, there is one final example I want to give you guys before I leave. Let's say that the same exact computer had been on sale for 15% off. Now, let's say that instead of you telling me the new price, which would be 100 minus that 15%, 85% of its original price, let's say that instead I wanted you to tell me how much money I'm saving. Now, that's different. How much am I saving? In this case, I am not asking you to tell me how much I'm going to pay in the future. I'm asking you to tell me how much I'm saving. So the 15%, that's what I'm saving, right? So I'm asking you to tell me what 15% of 500 is, because that's how much I'm saving of the original $500. So I make this 0.15 times 500. And this you all know how to do. So I take 0.15 times 500, and voila, I am going to be saving $75. So if I'm, instead of paying 500, I'm going to end up paying 425. $75 is what I'm saving. 500 minus how much I'm saving gives me my total of 425, which would be my new price. But for this question, they're looking for how much I'm saving, which is 75.